Yarrow Paprika is an excellent hybrid variety of yarrow. The forerunners of this beautiful hybrid has one of the richest histories in the plant world. Long thought of as a magical plant, yarrow's history goes back to Roman times, when it was thought useful in healing warrior wounds. The name Achillea is from Achilles and the faithful wound of his heel. But it doesn't stop there. Witchcraft and all sorts of magical potions are associated with this plant. Paprika yarrow is a stunning sight with its long-lasting, conspicuous, large clusters of bright red flowers fading delicately to light pink and creamy yellow as they age. Its pleasantly aromatic green fern-like foliage nicely complements the dusty red flat umbel flowers. Blooming for weeks from early to late summer in a beautiful color display, this yarrow creates an eye-catching plant combination and enlivens any sunny corner of your garden. Paprika yarrow thrives in full sun and average dry to medium moisture, well-drained soils. Light shade is tolerated, but the best coloring and flowering are obtained in full sun. Dry soils are also tolerated, but avoid rich, moist soils which would cause your yarrow to get floppy and leggy. Good drainage is essential. Plant close to brassicas, tomatoes, beans, eggplant, spinach. Yarrow is also helpful to aromatic herbs including lavender, rosemary, basil, thyme, and oregano. You know that the yarrow plant attracts the pollinators such as honeybees and aphid-eating insects into the garden. Yarrow is an herb. The above ground parts are used to make medicine. Yarrow is used for fever, common cold, hay fever, dysentery, diarrhea, loss of appetite, tract discomfort, and to induce sweating. Some people chew fresh leaves to relieve toothache.